Hello guys, a new tutorial. I will show you how to install Adapta Theme on Ubuntu 18.04. Okay, first we must add the repository, and after that install. There is adapta-background optional, but we will install the Adapta GTK Theme. So let's open terminal and copy the first command. First to add the repository. And press enter to continue. And now let's install the adapta-background, and we start to download adapta-background. And now let's install Adapta GTK Theme. And yes to continue. So the installation is finished. Let's see the background first. And this is adapta background. Okay, now let's move to the theme. So we need a tweak. If you don't have a tweak installed, go to Ubuntu software and search for tweak. So I have a launch because it is already installed. If you don't have installed, so click here on install. So let's open and change the theme to adapta. Then this is adapta ETA or adapta nocto. Anyway, this is the adapta theme. I will choose the first. So this is how to install Adapta GTK Theme on Ubuntu 18.04. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.